Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to import journal entries into QuickBooks online. Whether you're a business owner, an accountant, or new to bookkeeping, this process can make managing your finances so much easier. First, open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks online login page. If you like, bookmark this page. It'll save you time in the future. Click on the Sign In button and select QuickBooks Online from the options. Enter your email and password, then click Continue to access your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Settings option in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Import Data. This section lets you bring in various entries and information into your account with ease. From the list of options, choose Journal Entries. It's important to select the correct data type to avoid mistakes. Next, click Import and upload your prepared CSV file from your computer. CSV is the standard format for importing data because it preserves the integrity of your columns and rows. After uploading, QuickBooks Online will process the file. When the next button appears, click it to go to the Mapping Fields page. This step is crucial. You'll need to make sure that the information in your CSV file aligns perfectly with QuickBooks fields. Take your time, review each field, and confirm everything is correct. Once everything is mapped, click Import. Watching your data transfer seamlessly into QuickBooks is always satisfying. After the import is confirmed, double-check your entries to ensure everything transferred accurately. And that's it. You've successfully imported your journal entries into QuickBooks Online, making financial management simpler and more efficient. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.